So hey guys, welcome again to the channel. Are you looking for a cheap stabilizer for under $15? That's 15 US. Stay tuned. Right guys, we're back. So I kitted out the Zeadio stabilizer. Like I said, this stabilizer comes in under $30 US. And here's the specs I'm going to give quickly as possible and my so far first impressions. It has a rubberized grip, so you can hold it so. As well as there are 3 mounting points, with the 3 mounting points being this mounting point here with a quarter turn, where it have 8 selections. We could shift back your phone as well as your camera. Currently using my camera to record it, so you'll be seeing it, so I'm not using my smartphone. You have that smartphone mount to show it to look. Next point is a horseshoe mount here. It connects via this, and also it tightens on top here. Also, it have these 2 mounting points here. If you have to attach either next light, probably a GoPro, but anyway, if you're making films or you're filmmaking, I don't think at this price you'll have probably like a monitor or anything. And you can easily hold here, hold it either so or so to place, and you could do all your videos to stabilize. So it's going to be a lot more stable instead of your hand holding. So guys, that has been my first impressions as well as unboxing on the Zeadio stabilizer, the stabilizer for $30 US, under $30 US. And like, share and comment, and thanks again for being in the channel, and see you in the next one.